Okay guys, so, oh man, how do you start off a video like this? I don't even know.
Like that.
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm Ryan from Android Authority, and today I'm going to be putting something here to the test. Realme claims that this phone, along with the 240-watt SuperVOOC charger, can get you to a full charge from zero in about 9.5 minutes. So we're going to test that out today. And we're going to see just how much juice we get in the time that it takes me to make my tea. Oh, there we go, and now we've hit SuperVOOC. It seems that it takes from 1% up and then you get SuperVOOC. So because we were that dead, let's just go make our tea. All right, so this is gonna look a little bit janky because we only have a coffee pot, but you know what? This is exactly how I used to make my tea back in college because, you know, you just use the tools that you have. Nothing like a good tea in the afternoon, you know? We're still,
Coffee, though.
I know, we're still gonna use a filter in this, and I'm gonna double filter this. We get the water going, and while the water's going, let's tell you about the tea that I'm gonna be drinking today. I am going to be using the Genuine Tea Co. Lemon Ginger Rooibos. And I'm going to be pairing that with my Drizzle Honey Turmeric Gold Raw Honey, which I absolutely love this stuff. I got another little thing of it just for doing this video because I love the stuff so much.
None of which are sponsors.
None of them are sponsors, but it's just my personal favorites, you know, especially if I'm talking all the time, it's, you know. So while the tea is steeping, let's just talk a bit more about the realme GT3. It is running the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is hard to deny since they put a fake plastic chip right next to the camera array. As for the cameras beside the fake processor, you get a 50 megapixel main, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a slightly gimmicky 2 megapixel microscope. We played around with it a little bit and it wasn't really anything to write home about, but it was kind of cool to see some of the details of the finer fabrics on my t-shirt and, you know, get up and close with the pixels on the Samsung Watch 4, which was kind of neat, and you get a 16 megapixel selfie cam on top of that. To be honest, this is a mid-tier phone that isn't really much to write home about at all, but it does have one thing that is going for it that a lot of other people don't, which is the stupidly fast 240-watt SuperVOOC charger, which can get you to 100% in 9.5 minutes, or so the company claims. So it looks like we've almost got all of our water there. All right, so guys, I like to let my tea steep for a little while, so let's just take this over and let's just see how the SuperVOOC charging is going on that realme GT3. All right, so what are we at for a charge here? We are sitting at 77 and counting percent battery in the time that it took me to make this tea. And I think my tea's almost done. Let's try a little bit of that. Oh man, that's gold. But is that gold enough for you? I don't know. I really don't know. I think I'm gonna just drink my tea now. I'm gonna just sit here and enjoy my tea. Oh, that's, I mean, like, props to Josh Vagara because he kind of got me on the tea game, like, super hard. Like, you gotta give love when it's due, man. You're still rolling? Why are you guys still here? Why are you still here? You got a little something on the lens there, Harley. There we go. We hit 100%. 100%. There it is, folks. 100%. But like, that's real time. That's run time there. That's the SuperVOOC. That is the SuperVOOC 240 watt charger and 100% full realme GT3. I think having some super fast charging is really, really nice, but is that enough to really make you want to go for the realme GT3? Let us know in the comments down below, guys. And you know what, while you're at it, if this video was fun, if you enjoyed it, if it was helpful, make sure you're subscribed. And until next time, guys, I'm Ryan from Authority Media. Be kind, and we'll see you on the next one.